What's up, my friends? Welcome back to building an Alexa skill. We're in section 5 now, and we're starting to write our skill. We're learning the basic blocks, speak and choice blocks. So just a quick overview of the basic blocks. Speak blocks allow you to get Alexa to talk to the user. You can either enter an unlimited amount of text and even add variables into the text to have Alexa say the user's names or any other captured variable. We'll talk about this later. Choose from over 30 different Alexa voices. Choice blocks listen for the user to speak and then send them to the matching path. When you ask the user a question, add a choice block right after it. So you ask the question to the user in the speak block, and then you add the choice block after it. In the choice block, you can add multiple choices, and then you drag the path to the corresponding next block. So one of my favorite things to do is to build an entire skill using only speak and choice blocks. And so I did this for my skill that I built for the Nashville Voice Conference. And here you can see the entire canvas, but what we're going to do is zoom in to the first block that I dragged in, which was the speak block. And you can see that I chose speaking as Alexa's voice, but here's over the 30 different voices that you can choose from. And I wrote my welcome message right here in the speak block. And you can see it says, hello, welcome to the Nashville Voice Conference. Are you an attendee, a featured facilitator, a photographer, or a videographer, or a data-driven design employee? And then you can see the next block that I dragged in was a choice block. And I just named my choice block so that I can see what those choices are from the canvas. But once you click into the choice block, you see the choices that I typed in: attendee, a featured facilitator, a data-driven design employee, a photographer, or a videographer. So the overview of building an Alexa skill using speak blocks and choice blocks is that you then continue the user down the path. If they select I'm an attendee by saying attendee, I've got another speak block that I dragged here that has content for that we want the person who says they're an attendee to hear. And then it asks them another question. Would you like to learn information about check-in timing, parking, lunch, or schedule of events for the day? And I've dragged in another choice block to allow them to say their choice and then go down the path with more speak blocks with more information. And going back to the original choice block off of the welcome message, there's a featured facilitator path if they say a featured facilitator, speaking as Alexa with content for the featured facilitator, and then a follow-up question, and so on and so on. So zooming back out again, seeing the entire canvas, you can see it's an entire Alexa skill experience voice app built strictly with speak blocks and choice blocks. There's so much you can do with speak blocks and choice blocks. This is the basic overview. We're going to continue to get into it in the next videos in section 5.